Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Reaper Bones mini. This is Ogana, the Savannah Ranger from the Bones 5 Kickstarter. It was primed in German Panzer Grey and I get started with charred brown for all of the skin. I'm going for a dark complexion since being a Savannah Ranger he's going to be out in the desert and in the sun a lot and he's not exactly wearing a lot of armour. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or you can join Discord using the link in the description. While the base layer of skin is drying, I use scarlet red to do all of the clothing he has on. Next up is Vallejo's leather brown for the belts, braces and arrow flights. Although I do go over the arrow flights later as there's just too much of one colour in the same place. For all of the metal parts I used old silver. This is the swords and the tags around the clothing. I then grabbed army painted leather brown and done the bow and went over the arrow flights again. Moving on to the highlights now, I get started with the raised parts of the skin using dark flesh tone. The clothing needed a much brighter red, so I used pure red. This is going on all the edges and the raised parts of the folds. To highlight up the most raised parts of the skin, I use tanned flesh, thinned down a little bit extra just to help it be a bit more translucent when it dries. I quickly grabbed white and done the eyes now that the skin is done. For the base, I wanted a sandy look, so I chose Scruffulous Brown. I would have chosen Desert Yellow, but I've actually run out of that now. To finish up, I used strong tone on the sword, bow and the base. The base though is nowhere near dry, so I thought I could blend it in a little bit and it just turned into a mess. So he's now standing on very dark sandstone. And that will be it for Ogana, a quick and easy paint job just to get the mini ready for the table. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. For those of you who want to support the channel more than you already do, check out my Ko-fi page. There you can drop a one-off tip towards helping me get better equipment. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.